everyone, I am Gio from Views from the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys to make an easy and simple meal. What we're going to be making is lamb chops and sweet potatoes in the oven. So don't worry, for those of you who don't know how to cook, don't know how to work in the kitchen, this is really easy, I guarantee you, because if I can do it, so can you. So let's get started. For today, you're only going to be needing 5 ingredients, and that's your lamb chops, the sweet potatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper. The first step is to season our lamb chops, so we're going to get our salt and pepper and put it on one side, flip it, and then put it on the other side, and then set it aside. Okay, now that we've seasoned our lamb chops, we're just going to put it to the side and let it sit for a bit while we cut our potatoes. For the potatoes, we're going to cut them in circles and then we're going to season it. If you guys wanted to make them into french fries, all you have to do is cut, instead of a circle, just like in the little rectangle form. I'll cut a few to show you guys. Alright, so now that our potatoes have been cut, which some are cut into french fries, other into circles, we're going to put them on the same pan as our lamb chops, put some salt, pepper, and olive oil on top, and then we can put it in the oven. I'm just spreading them out in the spaces between the lamb chops. Guys, this is what it's supposed to look like, so I'm just going to put some salt, and then some pepper, and then just some olive oil. You can put some on top of the lamb chop as well. Not all of my potatoes fit on this pan, so I put the rest on another one and I did the same thing. I preheated the oven to 350 on conventional, and now we're gonna put it in. So we just took it out after 40 minutes. I'm just gonna put some oregano on top of everything to give it a little bit more taste. And then I'm gonna put it on a plate and give it a try. All right, so here we have the french fries, potatoes, and our lamb chop. It's really good. Now the potato. It's really good. I'm honestly impressed with myself. It's amazing, and trust me, if I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys make it. If you do, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna set it aside so that it starts to... I cut them into potatoes. Alright, now that our potatoes... Mommy, do you hear me up? So